Welcome back, it's Owen Money here. Now, nostalgia's not what it used to be, is it? But I love it. So we'll have a bit of a nostalgic session now, shall we? And let's start with Play It Again, Frank. As you know, every Sunday, Frank is a bit of a ferret through the archives. And this is a little gem he picked up from 1970 when Anita Morgan, who we'll be hearing more from in a bit, was following up a report which said that your age dictates how often you think about sex.
Well, you'd come into the over 25 bracket. How often do you think about sex?
Oh, in the spring when the cuckoo comes.
Oh, I don't know, indeed. It's a job to think of such a thing as that, isn't it? It never comes to my mind.
What about you?
Well, since I'm working every 2 years.
You're supposed to think of sex every 35 minutes, do you? When you do think of sex, do you think of anyone in particular?
Just the wife.
Richard Burton. Oh, dear, my dear old husband.
Don't take me, I haven't got my teeth in.
You're supposed to think of sex every 35 minutes, do you?
Yes, definitely. Only I haven't got the strength to do it.
Well, I'm 56 years of age. I don't think I think of sex every 35 minutes now at that age anyway. I got other things to do.
You're over 70. You're supposed to think about sex once every hour. What have you got to say to that?
Well, according to the television the other day, they say you can carry on till you're 90. Think of it once every hour. I should think a person that's healthy and full of health would think of it far oftener than that. Don't you think so?
And you're over 70?
No, I'm over 70. 76. I don't know much about it now.
Oh, think about it every night. Once every 24 hours when I go to bed.
Not every 35 minutes?
No, I'm not very sexy.
I think about it, but I don't do it.
You're under 25. How often do you think about sex?
Every minute.
I don't. Once a while.
What's a life for a start?
Well, regular.
Talk about it more than think about it, I think. Youngster. When I work and I use the solder and iron, I couldn't imagine what would happen if I kept thinking about it every 10 minutes. I'd burn my fingers, most probably.
That's the funniest piece I've heard for a long time.